Just pray for us, all four of the families. We were all missing big parts that were some of the glue that held us together.
A very understandably emotional day for four families who lost their loved ones back in April as the suspect in a high-profile crash from Eden appeared in a Rockingham County courtroom. This is video from that crash back in April that rocked the community, really the whole triad. 4 line workers died. Officials say a City of Eden employee ran a city-owned dump truck right into them as they were working. Michael Vernon was fired from his job with the city, and he's facing several charges, including misdemeanor death by vehicle and operating a commercial commercial vehicle with no license. Vernon, appearing in court today as a judge, tackled questions over his personnel file and what could be admissible in court for any possible upcoming trial. Fox 8's Gretchen Stinger has been in court all day. Gretchen.
Yeah, Cassie, Michael Vernon appeared in front of a judge for his pretrial hearing. During that hearing, the judge was looking over all of the evidence brought forward to decide what can be used during the full trial. And that hearing today took about 3 hours in total. The evidence that the prosecution brought forward was the crash report from the Eden police. And they had the operations captain on stand from the police department. That evidence included a look into 6 other accidents they say Vernon was allegedly involved in with a city truck as an employee with the City of Eden. Then an audio recording of an interview conducted by a trooper with the Highway Patrol and the Crash Reconstruction Unit was played in court, and that trooper was also asked to take the stand. The defense argued that the trooper didn't properly inform Vernon of his right to have an attorney there during the interview with law enforcement. The defense questioned the trooper for about 30 minutes until we heard about 5 minutes of that recording. Vernon's defense also says that no personal records from Vernon's employment with the City of Eden should be shared with the court. Court wrapped up with the judge saying she wants to review all of the evidence, including the personal records. In order to do so, she has to take a look at them while being filmed on camera. She will eventually decide what evidence can be used in trial. All 14 people there for the victims walked in the courtroom together, and at the end of the trial, they held each other as they walked out. I spoke to the mother of Matthew Lockwood. She says right now they have to lean on each other.
I think it's a good thing. I think they want to have the best outcome for us, for all 4 families. And it is wonderful to know that, it's not just all 4 of us are going through the same pain together. There's no way to replace our children or our husbands.
The judge says that she is going to review all of the evidence in the coming days and let both legal teams know what evidence will be allowed in the trial. The next hearing will be on October 23rd. In Rockingham County, Gretchen Stinger, Fox 8 News.